Hey everybody, this is Tracy here with another edition of A View from Tracy's Point, and I am here with a very quick update to the whole saga on the case for Robert Sylvester Kelly, where his lead attorneys are asking to withdraw from the case. You guys know from my earlier video that there was a status hearing regarding this motion, and the judge asked that each of the parties, instead of airing out everything on the status call, she asked them to file motions. And during that call, Nicole Becker also asked about filing a motion, and so she has done just that. And so her motion is basically trying to solidify her place on the case as the lead attorney. And so the letter says, "Dear Judge Donnelly, this firm, as well as the Blank law firm, represent Robert S. Kelly." And when she says this firm, the letterhead is on Thomas Farinella's law firm's letterhead. So when she says this firm, as well as the Blank law firm, represent Robert S. Kelly, that is what she's talking about. And so it goes on to say, "We respectfully submit this motion in accordance with Local Criminal Rule 1.1, which incorporates by reference Local Civil Rule 1.4 regarding the withdrawal of displacement of attorneys of record. That rule, in turn, provides that such a motion may be granted only upon a showing by affidavit or otherwise of satisfactory reasons for withdrawal or displacement and the posture of the case, including its position, if any, on the calendar. Mr. Kelly has terminated retained counsel Stephen Greenberg and Michael Leonard. On June 9, 2021, Mr. Kelly appeared before the court and stated on the record that he wants to proceed with the undersigned and has terminated Mr. Greenberg and Mr. Leonard. Additionally, Mr. Kelly's decision would not affect the trial date and deadlines currently scheduled. The Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution guarantees Mr. Kelly's right to counsel of his choice. The Supreme Court has held that the right to select counsel of one's choice has never been derived from the Sixth Amendment's purpose of ensuring a fair trial. It has been regarded as the root meaning of the constitutional guarantee. See United States versus Gonzalez Lopez 548 U.S. 140, and that is a case from 2006. For the foregoing reasons, Mr. Kelly respectfully submits that the court relieve Mr. Greenberg and Mr. Leonard as attorneys of record in this case. Respectfully submitted, Thomas A. Farinella, Nicole Becker Blank, counsel for Robert S. Kelly. And so, guys, after I finished my last video, I thought about something, and you know that Nicole was added to the record. I believe Thomas has always been on, yes, he has always been on the record for the Eastern District of New York, but Nicole was recently added. And, we were all figuring that she was going to be co-counsel. She'll be able to help with the charges involving the Jane Does, and, kind of left it at that. And so now I'm thinking, if the reason that Nicole hadn't been on the Eastern District of New York all of this time is for this very reason, that Steve Greenberg may have been afraid that, she would take control of this case, because Doug Anton was on the New York case. Thomas Farinella was on the New York case. So there really was no reason why Nicole shouldn't have been on the case all along. And then I also find it interesting that, even in the short time since she's been added to the case, that she has been able, to go through all the documents, all the discovery and everything, because she seems pretty confident that she is going to be ready and up to speed when this trial starts on August 9th. And so just want to bring you guys this quick update that Nicole has submitted, a motion to the judge, a letter to the judge, basically asking her to move forward with removing Greenberg and Leonard off of this case and allowing her and Thomas Farinella to proceed as lead counsel, and stating that, basically it doesn't matter what Greenberg or Leonard has to say, that it is R. Kelly's or Mr. Kelly's constitutional right to be able to select an attorney or a counsel of his choosing for whatever reason, and so that he really shouldn't need her permission, Judge Donnelly's permission, to make that move. So as I stated before, as this story continues to unfold, I'll be bringing you guys these little quick videos, letting you know exactly what motions have been filed, what was stated in those motions, and then giving you my afterthoughts, because I always come up with something after, I end the video and send it off. So anyway, that's it. Go ahead, leave your comments below, rate the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next time, I shall talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.